What's going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to juggle a soccer ball. It's not that hard. There's just one simple thing you gotta do all the time if you want to juggle the ball successfully, okay? First, make sure the ball is spinning when you're starting to juggle, okay? Just get the ball rolling first on your hand like this, and then let it drop, and then when you start juggling, you gotta keep that rotation going. You gotta keep the momentum going, okay? Boom. That's how you juggle, okay? Make sure. Tip number one, don't let the ball roll forward, because if you let it roll forward, it's gonna roll right off your foot. For example, I'm gonna roll it forward, and then it's gonna go forward. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep the momentum going towards you, like, you know, spinning the ball towards you. And then, you know, you keep juggling. Oops. See what I did there? That's one mistake I did right there. I let the ball roll forward instead of towards me. And that's how you juggle a soccer ball. Got you, didn't you? Look at my Mr. B shirt, really great. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Very short, but can't even see my face. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a very short video. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't know when that's gonna be, but peace.